Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation on the quantity surveying profession and practice in Malaysia. The aim of this video is to explore the indispensable role of the quantity surveyor in the modern Malaysian construction landscape. By the end of this presentation, you will have key takeaways covering the entire QS ecosystem, from its historical evolution to addressing modern sustainability challenges. Before diving into our discussion, let's clearly define three critical terms that are fundamental to QS practice. Bill of quantities are detailed lists of work item giving quantities based on drawing and specification. They are essential for tender pricing and valuation. Next, construction project management is the overall planning, coordination, and control of a project from inception to completion aimed at meeting client requirements. Stakeholders include the client, consultants, and contractors. Surveying SMM stands for Standard Method of Measurement, used for building works to standardize how quantities are measured, described, and itemized. Main sections in SMM2 include demolition and site clearance, excavation and earthwork, concrete work, masonry, roofing, finishes, mechanical and electrical preliminaries, and lastly external works. However, another standard exists, that is MySystem and MySystem 2. It is used specifically for civil engineering works, just like infrastructure, roads, drainage, and bridges. MySystem 2 key feature is to design for infrastructure projects follow principles similar to SISM, which is International Civil Works Standard. That section includes earthworks, roadworks, drainage, bridges, water supply, sewage systems, and marine works.
The QS profession in Malaysia evolved from informal associations into a highly regulated entity, mirroring the nation's rapid development. Initially, services focused on basic measurement and costing for colonial infrastructure. Post-independence, the need for formal professionalization led to the establishment of key bodies and frameworks to uphold ethical standards. Today, the profession is crucial in navigating modern challenges like digitalization and new technologies, securing its role for the future. The quantity surveyor plays a strategic role that extends throughout the project lifecycle. Key responsibilities include cost planning and estimation during the pre-contract stage to ensure financial viability. They provide procurement advice, recommending the most suitable contract strategies. Post-contract, they manage contract administration, including the valuation of variations, assessing interim payments, and preparing the final account.
Effectively, a QS must possess a diverse set of competencies. These include strong technical measurement skills such as accurate BEQ presentation, preparation, and value engineering. Modern demands also require strong digital competencies including proficiency in building information modeling. Finally, soft skills like effective negotiation, team collaboration, and communication are paramount for team leadership. The integrity and development of the profession are governed by two distinct bodies. BEQSM, the Board of Quantity Surveying, is a regulatory body. It is responsible for the registration, licensing, and setting of professional practice standards for quantity surveyors in Malaysia, safeguarding public interest. In contrast, the Royal Institution of Surveyors Malaysia, RISM, is the professional body. It focuses on promoting the profession's interests, providing continuous education, and encouraging innovation.
Quantity surveyors are categorized based on their registration status and employment status. Categories include the registered quantity surveyor, a professional title regulated by BEQSM, and the graduate QS, working towards a professional registration. Employment categories differentiate between the consultant QS, who works for independent firms, focusing on client advisory and cost consulting, and the contractor's QS who works for the main contractor, focusing on site cost control, measurement for payment and claims. The SMM is the bedrock of quantity measurement. Its primary importance lies in achieving uniformity in measuring construction work. This consistency is crucial as it facilitates fair and accurate tendering, allowing contractors to price competitively on an equal basis. Without SMM, measurements would be inconsistent, leading to errors in tender sums, ambiguity, and increase in contractual disputes.
Common project problem without a QS, the absence of a quantity surveying in the project team creates significant risk. Common problems include massive cost overrun due to inadequate cost planning and poor control. There is a high likelihood of contractual dispute arising from value contract documentation and unverified. Furthermore, the lack of professional cost advance can lead to misguided procurement decision, resulting in inefficiency and a loss of public trust within the industry. C&D Waste Management modern QS practice integrates sustainability, especially construct and demolition C&D waste management. During construction, the QS advise on material procurement to minimize waste generation, a concept known as waste avoidance. The QS also measure waste quantities for proper disposal or recycling. After construction, the QS financial management is essential for tracking and quantifying disposal costs and ensuring compliance with increasing environmental regulation, supporting eco-friendly building practice.
In summary, the quantity survey in Malaysia is not merely a measurer, but a strategic financial manager and contractual advisor essential for ensuring high quality, safe, and innovative construction practice. We've covered the breadth of the profession from its evolution and governance by BQSM and RISM to technical core SMM, and its critical role in mitigating project risk and driving sustainability. The profession will continue to be essential for guiding the industry forward. Thank you.